What's going on, everybody?
Listen up.
Welcome back to
Boss
another
wants this
Batman
place held tight.
Arkham City
No one in
video.
or out.
Cut that bitch right off, I feel like
You see one of Joker's crew? Waste him.
What about Batman?
Kill him too.
Okay,
Just
I guess
like
I'm
that?
gonna continue to get
Just
cut off by
like
the
that.
inmates, but welcome back to another Arkham City video. I'm sorry I've been gone for a while. I had some personal things come up in life.
What does it look like?
How do I know?
We should be good
So
to our
how will we know
regular
what to find?
scheduled program of everyday uploads. But yeah, let's get. Last time we left off, honestly, I think though, we were coming to get Mr. Freeze or
What is
Penguin.
Freeze
I
do
forget.
here
Yeah,
anyway?
it's Freeze. Never
No
mind.
idea. All I know is Penguin wants it. It's good enough for
Let's
me.
get cracking. My goal is to get this whole series, like all of these series, done by like.
We can't
I
find
want
it.
all the games
It's
done.
not
I want to
here.
get this game done before Sparking Zero.
Are you telling me that you are all so incompetent?
I can't hack this panel without access to the city municipal codes.
No. I mean,
Well, it sounds like that's what you're saying.
please, Mr. Cobblepot. I didn't mean it. We'll find it.
Oh yeah, one last thing. I hear Batman's coming your way. Good luck.
What's that supposed to mean? Hopefully I'm going the right way. My suit is already fucked up. You guys know the drill. I'm not getting hit the entire video. What the stealthy approach.
What? It came from over here. I'm sure of it.
He doesn't see me.
Come on, where are you?
He does not see me. There we go. Come on, just come this way.
He's here, Mr. Cobblepot. Batman's here.
Keep him busy. I've shut down all access to the GCPD. He's not going anywhere. You're supposed to be good at this. He's making you look like idiots.
Penguin's keeping track of his crew using heartbeat monitors. He'll know each time I take someone out. I need to move quickly.
What are you doing up there?
Help me! Cut me down!
There you are. On me! I got him!
God,
What?
I see what you're doing. How are you gonna use those?
I've got him! He's over here! He's gone! I lost him! We gotta find him! Now! I know what you're doing, and it ain't gonna work!
I'm not cooking up right now. I'm doing straight shit.
Now!
Actually, straight shenanigans.
I've got someone here! Come on, wake up! Damn it, he's out cold!
We're dead. We're gonna die in here, and there's nothing we can do about it.
Leave him. We've got more important things. This way! He went this way! He's up there!
Oh, I'm dead. I survived this. It's probably good. Nah, I know what you all are thinking. He got hit. This is him getting hit in the video, but it doesn't count. I didn't see it, you didn't see it, we didn't see it. This isn't me. This is clearly not me getting hit. This is clearly the work of the great mastermind himself. Robert Downey Jr.
Over here! I got him! He's over here!
No. Our first death of the series. Chill out.
Someone cut the mask off his face. No need to be gentle.
Bro, I've never been hit with this. So about that not getting hit the entire video.
Joker's crew are still outside, Mr. Cobblepot.
Good. Make sure it stays that way.
No problem. All right, listen up. Boss wants this place held tight. No one in or out. You see one of Joker's crew, waste him.
What about Batman?
Kill him too.
Just like that?
Yeah, you ever watch the
Just
Batman
like
Valorant
that.
gameplay?
Huh? It came from over here. Hey! Ooh. Smoke! He's used some kind of grenade.
Come here.
Trying to hide
Smash.
his tracks.
Penguin's
Get
keeping
over and
track
find
of
out
his
who's
crew
screaming.
using heartbeat monitors. He'll know
Someone's stuck
each
up
time
here.
I take someone
Come
out.
over here.
I need to move quickly.
I'm cooking up.
What happened to you? How come you're up there? Get me down, please. Where? I'm sure it came from over there. Where the hell are you? He's here, Mr. Cobblepot.
Keep him busy. I've shut down all access to the GCPD.
Huh?
He's not
Throwing
going
another
anywhere.
batarang will
Sure.
give away my position.
I'm not here. I'm not here.
Come on, where are you?
Snatching your teammate up from behind.
Ah!
Who's... There's someone stuck up here! Get over here! Get over here! There's someone up there! What are you doing up there?
Help me! Cut me down!
Loki just took a water break, Joe.
Huh?
Sure it came from over there! Where the hell are you?
Peep aura.
Do not fail me. I will not forgive you. Understand?
What's going on here? I thought we were in charge.
I've lost one of you idiots. Let's end it there.
You heard what the Penguin said, right?
They cold.
Man down! Man down! Ah! Over here, I got him!
Nice try.
Where's Freeze?
Monkey.
He's in the museum. Penguin's got him.
I'll have to cut that tongue out of your head, boy. I don't know people telling tales on me.
No. I'm sorry, Mr. Cobblepot. He made me tell him.
I didn't make him tell his shit.
You can have him, Batman. I'm safe and sound here in my museum. Try and get me if you like. I've got plenty of surprises ready for you if you do. Starting right now.
He out here blowing shit up, bro. I be getting so sick of him. I didn't think they'd have guns right away.
That doesn't sound good.
I don't even know my way out this hell.
Alfred.
Hello, sir.
The goat.
Have you retrieved the cure from Mr. Freeze?
There were complications. Penguin has got his hands on Freeze and trapped me in the GCPD building.
You do realize that you will actually die if you don't get this cure soon.
Thanks for reminding me, Alfred. I'm in a police building. Cobblepot's obviously bribed some official into giving him the lock codes for the municipal structures. I'm downloading the unlock codes right now.
Oh, yeah. Tell me you could have done that the whole time. They don't call me smooth for nothing. Oh yeah, feel it, feel it. Check that out. Don't get me out of here. You think you gonna stop the bat? Let me out.
See, I told you it'd work. Blow the bridges, cut off the Cloud's forces. Easy. But
Yeah,
Mr.
but I'm
Cobblepot,
genuinely the bad
we're
man.
stuck too. So, we can't get back. And your point is? Well,
Good
it's
Joker,
just...
by the way.
You've left us over here with the
You don't-
Joker's
you don't
crew.
care, yeah.
Try and take some of them down before you die, son. You bastard.
We have visual on the explosion. Thermal scans show multiple detonation points. Over.
Roger that, AT-3.
It appears that Mr. Cobblepot has made his move. Leave them to it. It will be interesting to witness how things progress as we approach Protocol 10.
Affirmative.
that name, that
AT-3,
creepy
continue
ass
your
name,
patrol.
bro.
Out.
Check me out. The slide into the dive, into the glide? Come on.
Stupid or what? Remember those guys with the bombs? No, I only just got here. I was off taking a
Touch
leak.
the water.
Oh
Okay,
yeah,
we're
sorry
targeting
about that.
right
A little while ago, we saw a bunch of Penguin's crew down there, wiring something to the supports and leaving these big bomb-looking cases around. Yeah, I used to be in the army, and I ain't never seen anything like what Penguin's crew had. And you think he blew up the streets? Yeah. But why? Guess he's trying to cut off Joker. This place gets more dangerous every minute.
Yeah, they better be lucky P.
Tall,
Diddy down
kind of
here.
pale, and oh yeah, that's right.
It's not gonna get off my screen.
Tiger Command, this is AT-5. I have visual on the church.
He wears a big freaking metal suit.
We'll do side
Ringing
missions.
bells. There's nothing to do.
With the lighting.
fish. You just need to do what I tell you to do, right?
Yeah,
And listen,
stiff, firm.
you really don't want to go pissing me off. Because I got friends in here. I'll find out.
I'm steady going up. Come on.
It's time to decide. Are you tough enough to sign up with Penguin? Or are you just...
Yeah, I was saying, how do they like
Will
get
commence
initiated
in
into these
7
games?
hours. Me too.
I'm
Good.
bored.
All you need to do then is pass the trials. Don't get too friendly with each other. Penguin's gonna make you fight for the right to stand with him. Most of you worms won't survive. Some of you will probably kill each other.
What's going on, y'all? Yes. It's the part where I tell you there's another fucking problem in the video. But it's okay though. You've made it like through half the video. Might as well watch the full thing. Anyway, yeah, I do be lagging. Well, not even lagging. So like sometimes it saves, and I don't even be noticing it. But like it saves before I do anything, and it'll make my my PC just like, you know, what's it called? Glitch out. Yeah, make that motherfucking glitch out, y'all. So bear with me. You know there be pauses. It be saving. You can see the little bat symbol in the corner. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the vid. Like, comment, subscribe.
But don't worry. The ones that do pass
There
the
it
test get treated real good. Look out! It's the bat!
It wouldn't be my video if there wasn't a little bit of lag in the gameplay.
We'll make sure this hurts you, man.
I swear I tried not to get hit. But like, that's crazy.
We're gonna hurt you, bat.
You're gonna hurt me. He keeps flipping them over and like making them.
Scared, Batman?
Pregnant? Come on, museum, fossil, you get this.
Target is lit. I repeat, we have positive on Batman.
Get the cameras on my fucking face.
This is Penguin's turf, you
Really?
freak. I'm gonna cut you up into tiny pieces for breaking in here.
Must be searched as part of our ongoing commitment to keep you safe and protect the unique collection we have on display. All visitors should be sure to check out our latest attraction, Dangers from the Deep, in the Aquatic Observation Chamber. All visitors with a valid ticket or concession card can enjoy the discount at the nearby world-famous Iceberg
Yo,
Lounge.
what's up with y'all and hitting me? I'm up here kicking jaws.
Welcome to the Cyrus Pinckney Natural History Institute.
Hack
All
device.
visitors must be searched as part of our ongoing commitment to keep you safe and protect the unique.
I don't think I want you breaking into my little home, Batman.
Check out our latest attraction,
Something's blocking communication back to the Batcave.
Aquatic Observation
Penguin must be using military-grade communication disruptors. The only way to crack this security is to destroy them.
can enjoy a discount at the nearby
God damn it.
Iceberg Lounge. Welcome to the Cyrus Pinckney.
Does this thing work anyway? All you need to know is Penguin wants this thing powered up. While it's working, no one in this hellhole can use anything that broadcasts out into Gotham.
So that's why my cell phone stopped working.
Yes, dumbass, that's why your cell stopped working. Did you even listen at the briefing?
What's the bat doing here?
Coming to kick your ass and take a holiday evening. They really think they're just gonna open it? I'll kill you, I tell them
You're gonna die here, Batman.
they all say that.
You may wanna run, Bat.
Stuffing a whole amount of bacon and stuff in balls. Did he? Disable, just AKA punch.
Freeze.
The jamming tower has 3 terminals attached. I'll need to destroy all 3 to shut it down.
Oh, I get what it means now.
Batman, come here. Think we
I
already
feel like
locked
there's
up?
like 3 different ones. I'm a bozo. Suits and tatters.
1 jammer down. I should look for more.
What's going on out there? One of the jammer signals disappeared. Sorry, Mr. Cobblepot. I don't know. We'll find out! And while you're doing it, make sure the other jammer's safe, or I'll find you and I'll stick with them.
Bruce Wayne had been brought in here? Looks like Penguin's stepping up security.
That museum of his is like a fortress already.
True. I guess the bat being here has freaked him out a little.
What the?
That's funny. I never figured you as a comedian.
I have to redo
What's
that.
funny? You know, penguin, chicken.
The boss
they're
wants
both
this
birds.
place kept safe. No problem. He's dead.
Who just pulls out Blake's on Batman? Trust. Watch me cook.
Anyone want a slightly used batsuit? I'm sure the blood will wash off.
It won't, dude. I got a real sticky blood, you know.
One jammer down. I should look for more.
Yeah.
What's going on out there? One of the jammer signals disappeared. Sorry, Mr. Cobblepot. I don't know. We'll find out! And while you're doing it, make sure the other jammer's safe, or I'll find you and I'll stick with you.
Did you hear that Bruce Wayne had been brought in here? Keep up. It looks like Penguin's stepping up security.
That museum of his is like a fortress already.
True. I guess the bat being here has freaked him out a little. Maybe. Never figured Penguin was a chicken. That's funny. I never figured you as a comedian.
We are the city.
On me! I got him! Batman! Batman! This way! We went this way! Wherever you've gone, Batman! We
Damn,
got
I
him!
keep getting smacked.
And there was me thinking it was going to be difficult. Get him out of here.
The disrespect is unreal.
One jammer down. I should look for more.
What's going on out there? One of the jammer signals disappeared. Sorry, Mr. Cobblepot. I don't know. We'll find out! And while you're doing it, make sure the other jammer's safe, or I'll find you and I'll stick with you.
Is it working? According to the log, all wave frequencies are being suppressed. The entire site is radio secure.
Nice. Where does Cobblepot get military-grade kit like this from?
He's a collector. Here's the plan. We spread out, we find the son of a bitch. Got it? They're going after the disruptor.
Three of you left. What is this, a freaking dance competition? Kill him now.
I'll cover the disruptor. We're cool. The disruptor still works. You're not getting past me again!
Are you mucking me about? Fight him!
Smoke to get away. You heard what the penguin said, right? It came from over here. I'm sure of it.
Do you need me to show you how it's done?
Please, don't come near me.
I'm the bat. I don't need to go near your number.
This is all wrong. Pull it together, or I'll get someone to pull you apart.
That was devious.
I'm running out of patience. You're running out of people. Let's Let's see what runs out first.
What's the bat doing here?
He's dead. I mean, oh, he's unconscious. Batman doesn't kill. I'm not this version of Batman.
Batman's done something to the jammers up top. Where are the rest of you idiots? We've only just managed to get below ground. Just send it out wherever you are. Do it now. Batman's probably on his way down there. Understand? Yes, sir, Mr. Cobblepot.
The signal's blocked again. Sounds like Penguin's final jammer was activated somewhere underneath Arkham City.
Time to die. I've got him. He's over here.
What?
This way! He went this way!
What the hell were they carrying?
Penguin sent him down underground to set up another comms disruptor. What? Still trying. I've got him! He's over here! Batman! It's Batman! What's wrong? Run home to cry to your mommy!
I know what this is.
Too scared to fight us?
That was one of the Titan containers Joker had back at Arkham Asylum. What is it doing here?
Ah, shit. He's dicking around. Didn't mean to do that.
Get over here! I found Batman! On me! I got him!
Having a little lie down, are you? Enjoy it. It's your last.
Nigga think shit is funny around here. I'm getting cooked. Let's go to find the last one.
Better places than Gotham, Frisco, Vegas. Hell, give me Bloodhaven any day. If I live through this, I'm out of Gotham for good. Trying to break out.
Is that it? The best you can do? Huh? Time to die. I've got him! He's over here!
This is like a cheat code to have this.
What? not getting past me.
How did he see me? Yeah, I got another ballistic armor upgrade. Fuck.
Come on, stop snowing.
Over here, I got him. He's over here. On me, I got him.
I've got a camera out in Sector 1.
Thank you.
Don't shoot! Don't shoot!
Penguin sounded pissed.
Batman's been screwing with his plans.
Do those things even...
Knuckleheads. Get it, guys? Just walking down the stairs. Of course, I picked the wrong one. Busting it open. Where am I going? I thought I was doing something, y'all. So go this way. I'm a dumbass.
I'm telling you, it's him.
It can't be.
It is. Look again. He looks big, right? He's gray.
This poster's gotta be over 100 years old. How can it be the same guy? And even if it was, how did Penguin get him?
I don't know, but I'm sure it is. It's even got a name.
Solomon Grundy? Stupidest name I ever heard.
That's...
Damn, I just knocked the shit out of him. More Titan tanks. Gotta get that out of here. Come on, Batman, say something. Okay.
You heard Penguin. Batman's on the way.
Good. I always wanted a chance to go up against that freak.
But I thought he wanted us to drag this thing over to the Joker.
He did. I guess Batman's made him change his plans.
Who cares? Kill Batman, drag this thing to Joker, turn it on, and go back to Cobblepot as heroes.
What? Just like that? Kill Batman?
Yeah, I'm not scared. He's nothing. Just some idiot in a costume.
Idiot in a costume, huh? Oh, game's doing the thing again. Sorry, guys.
That disruptor is the only thing keeping you alive. If it stops working, it's not Batman you need to be worrying about.
I'm not scared of no one.
Ah! I'll cover this way!
Yes, sir. Start.
Stay calm! We need to keep it together and find him. If we lose it, we're as good as dead. Understand?
I've lost one of you idiots. Let's end it there.
There you go. Get over here. I found Batman! do now? Show yourself, chicken!
Technically, I'm a bat. Knee slapper, guys.
He's back! What the hell? He got away! He used some kind of smoke.
Some kind of smoke.
If you ask me, the bat didn't hurt you anywhere near enough. From me! Get away! Over here!
Last hard one. Do that. Do that.
That was the last jammer. I should be able to get into the museum now.
Always getting out of here is my hardest part.
What the hell is happening down there? Hello? Is someone gonna answer me? I'll give you one simple task. Stick up a couple of freaking machines. And what? You couldn't even get that right? I hope Batman broke every bone in your stupid bodies. I hope you're lying there, desperately trying to breathe through fractured ribs and punctured lungs. And if you're not, oh, you'd better summon up whatever strength you've got left and run. Because after I'm done with the bat, you're all next.
He actually thinks he can beat me, though. Saving. I hate when it does that, because it affects my whole game, you know? Do I get another Riddler trophy? Oh, that was too easy. Perk Franklin in its finest. Police brutal. I didn't see it. Saving again. Why does it do that?
Thought you said Batman couldn't get past the jam.
Shout, it's Batman!
Come on.
Oh, what's wrong, Bat? Too chicken to come and fight me? You should be! We'll make sure that...
Beating your entire click right now, but it's cool.
You're gonna die tonight, Bat!
That's the entire game under my fist.
You don't stand a chance against us. You scared, Batman?
I'm not answering a phone call from Joker.
Welcome to the Cyrus Pinckney Natural History Institute. All visitors must be searched as part of our ongoing commitment to keep you safe and protect the unique collection we have on display. All visitors should be sure to check out our latest attraction, Dangers from the Deep, in the Aquatic Observation Chamber. All visitors with a valid ticket or concession card can enjoy a discount at the nearby world-famous Iceberg Lounge. Welcome to the Cyrus Pinckney Natural History Institute.
Sorry, I had to look at and listen. I didn't know if she was going to talk so much. But I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Batman. We died a couple of times, but I really don't count those times because I can't remember those times, you know. But stay tuned to the next episode. Like, comment, subscribe. Link to my socials will be down below. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching.
I'm with Ruler Santana, rockin' black bandanas. I bang like a phantom, riding, yeah we riding, we in Atlanta. Yup, sticks and hammers,